I've been messing around with word art. I think that's what you call it, word and word art. So I'm gonna make my wife 4 passes for boys, girls, nurse, and hall pass. And I'm gonna scroll them out on this wonderful 1/4-inch birch. Sand it, paint it. They're gonna do blue boys, pink girls, red nurse, green hall. Alrighty, so I have glued them down. Now I just go through and drill the holes. I'm going to cut and jump on the scroll saw. Alright, let's try this again since I didn't have the volume on. I cut out the large letters. I have to cut the smaller letters out. But my eyes are getting heavy and I don't want to mess up the project. Don't mind nicking my finger. I do mind screwing this all up. So we'll pick this back up tomorrow. Alrighty, finally done. Alright, what I'll do is I'll take the paper off, we'll do some sanding, and then we'll start painting them all. Alright, so what I did is I gave it a couple of coats of paint. What I did is I put rare earth magnets. I recessed it so it's just, I would say, a 16th proud. So when it's on the, on the board, they can actually put their little hands and pull it off without having any issues. They're holding up pretty well as far as the weight. I mean, it's only a 1/4 inch ply, but the magnets is holding it up pretty well. So, and we went with green. It's not a hunter green. It's not a lime green. It's a candy apple green, I guess you're going to say. So, have some little bit of, there you go, a little bit of dry glue, CA glue on there. Trying to get off. There we go. So, as you can tell, it came out pretty well. We'll see how they hold up for the school year. If I have to make new ones for next year or new ones for this year, we'll definitely let everybody know how they hold up and how they look at the end of the school year. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and if you have any comments as far as if you like it or any other comments, leave them down below. I'll respond to you. Thank you. Have a good day. And always, be safe.